Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Trello step by step. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to use step by step, you just simply have to open this Trello application at first and this homepage will appear. Now you just simply have to tap into this sign up or login button at first, and after that tap into any option which is suitable for you. I'm tapping sign in with Microsoft for now. And now after signing your account, this profile will appear. Now you just simply have to tap into this create your first Trello board option. Create any of the Trello board into here. For example, I'm selecting this project management into here. Now into this section, tap into create board from template option and now name your board. And after that select your workspace, then visibility, and after that click to create board. Now as you can see here, I have this first board into here. Now just simply add your list into this section. You can add your project task or edit your previous details from this section at first and then save it to your Trello. This way you can Trello at very first step by step. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.